This neighborhood needs our help. Let's make it clean and beautiful again. We'll start with the sidewalk, then move to the park area. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Absolutely. I'm ready to clean every corner. Careful sweeping gets all the small pieces. Every bit of trash matters.
The cart is filling up nicely. This street is looking better already. Proper bin management prevents litter from spreading. Let's secure these lids.
A little water makes everything shine.
Ready for the final wipe? Ready when you are.
Perfect. These benches are ready for people to enjoy again. The playground should be the cleanest spot. Kids deserve a safe place to play.
Organized bags make disposal easier. The park is transforming before our eyes.
The blower gets into corners the broom can't reach. Teamwork for complete cleaning.
Double-checking ensures we didn't miss anything. Perfection in the details. Alleys often get overlooked. Let's make this one sparkle too.
From dusty to delightful, every space deserves to be clean.
Whoa, last bag's going in. The square looks completely transformed. Cleaning up our cleaning equipment, you doubt. The final step of any good job. Mission accomplished. The whole neighborhood is sparkling clean. Happy residents are the best reward. A clean neighborhood benefits everyone. Wow, hey, great teamwork today. We make an excellent cleaning duo. Tools packed, job done. Another neighborhood restored to beauty. It is a bright and happy day at the beach.
This beach is perfect for a birthday party.
Here! Ooh. Let's set everything up here. They begin preparing the party. The beach looks so colorful. Almost ready. Oh, everything is prepared. The cake looks great.
They wait for their friend. Whoa! Here they come.
Wow! I love the beach. Why is it so quiet? Why is it so quiet?
Surprise! Happy birthday! Surprise! Happy birthday! A beach birthday? Birthday? For me? Oh! Make a wish, Loi Loi! Loi Loi makes a birthday wish.
Happy birthday! Oh, wow, this is amazing. Thank you. You're welcome.
They enjoy the fun together. On a magical night, Gaga and Boocap were ready for a special adventure. Gaga, are you ready to explore the light park? Wow! Wow! The light park looks amazing! Wow! Look at that! Incredible! It's so bright!
I feel like I'm inside a rainbow.
The lights danced as the cars moved forward.
Look! Light animals!
Wow! Look at that butterfly!
Let's go see them closer.
Hello, shiny butterfly! Help!
The water sparkled like a mirror of stars.
Every turn brought new wonders. On went London, so beautiful and calm. Dance with me, Gaga. They danced under the glowing lights. This is the best night ever. Ever.
Good adventures are even better with friends.
Goodbye, bye, Light Park. Far away in the desert, a big adventure begins.
Wow! This pyramid is huge! Ooh! Let's check it out! Yeah! Ah! The treasure map must be here! Ah! They entered the ancient pyramid. Look! Look! These pictures tell a story! They must be careful! What's that? I don't know, it's glowing. They found something important. It's a treasure map. Ooh, we found it! Hooray! Hooray! The map shows a secret path. This path leads to the heart of the pyramid.
Let's go! They found the treasure room.
Nice! So shiny! Wow! The mountain is so white! Wow! It looks like a snow cake! Let's explore! Don't forget your scarf! The snow feels crunchy. Whoa! Crunch! Crunch! The snow is cold! Ah! It's winter magic! That's winter magic. Whee!
Let's build a snowman! Yes, a big one!
Yay! Yay!
The mountain is beautiful.
Hey!
Oh, so peaceful.
Be careful, it's slippery! Oh, I'll walk slowly. Oops! I've got you! Warm and yummy! Yay! Ah. I love it. The snow is sparkling.
Like diamonds!
We climbed so high! I'm proud of us! The street is empty. Perfect for a friendly race. I'm ready. Hooray!
Me too! Yeah, me too!
Ready! Set! Go! Go!
I feel great!
Catch me! I'm coming! Safety first, always. That was close, but safe.
The air feels fresh! I love this!
Tap, tap, tap. This hill is tough. Don't give up. We did it. Nice job, huh? Careful now.
Slow and steady! The street looks beautiful!
So colorful. Almost there. There. Almost there. There. Oh, a tie. Ah, we both win. The desert awaits. Perfect day for an adventure. Hey, Boo Cap! Ready for some fun? Great to see you out here, Loi Loi. Likewise, Boo Cap. Wow, wow! The desert is perfect for racing. Orange day, da! Yes! Let's have a fun race! Let's line up here. Ready when you are. Ready. Go.
Woohoo! Here we go!
Watch this little move. That was awesome! Not so fast! Here I come! Careful through the cacti! Oh,
Watch the spacing!
nice work!
Thanks, you too!
Ah! What a view! Let's take a moment.
Racing together is so fun!
This is the best part! Yeah, the best! Let's do a victory spin! Oh! Whee! What a perfect end to our race. Best desert race ever!
It is a beautiful day by the sea. Hi, Boo Cap. The sea looks amazing today. They get ready for a fun adventure. Let's go slowly first. Let's go slowly first. Oh! Whoa! Oh, Boo Cap is ready to surf. I can do it! Do it! Ah! They surf side by side. Whoa! 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 No, Romantic! I'm okay! They take a short rest. It feels good to just float. Look, dolphins! Wow! Dolphins! Let's surf one more time! Yeah! Yes! They feel brave and happy.
So kind!
Wow! The dinosaur forest! Let's go inside!
The forest is so big! And very beautiful.
Hello, little dinosaurs! They are dinosaurs. They are friendly.
Look at those fruits!
They look tasty!
They are too high! I have an idea. Let's collect them. Oh, great idea! Great idea!
These are sweet.
Gentle!
Be gentle.
Hello!
Nice to meet you! So many fruits! Amazing!
Apples and bananas.
Oh!
And nuts. And berries.
Clean first.
Oh, good habit. So yummy. Oh. Very fresh. Very fresh.
Let's share. Friends share.
The basket is full! Yeah! Mission done! Mission done!
Loi Loi and Pop Pot are going to visit the dinosaur park.
Wow! Wow! Look at this place! I love dinosaurs.
That dinosaur is so big! It sure is.
Don't worry, it's friendly.
They see many dinosaur friends.
They have 3 horns.
Their necks are so long.
The park feels calm and peaceful.
This is fun. This is fun. Kids will love this this place.
Roar! Roar! I'm a dinosaur.
Narrator, they discovered dinosaur fossils.
Narrator, what an amazing find!
Dinosaurs lived long ago.
Huh. Let's take a short break.
This park is amazing.
The baby dinosaurs are friendly.
What a great day! It is a calm day in the forest.
What is that smell?
Loi Loi sees something dangerous.
Oh no! The forest is on fire!
I know! Ah! Oh, I need help right now.
Pot! Please come! There is a fire in the forest! God!
I'm on my way. Yeah!
Pot rushes to help! Thank you for calling me, Loi Loi.
Pot Pot is ready to fight the fire. The fire is getting weaker.
You saved the forest.
The forest is safe again.
Always call for help when you see fire. I must act fast.
On a sunny day, Pot Pot was patrolling the city, ready to help.
There's a fire! Pot Pot quickly prepared his firefighting tools.
Stay calm, little fire. Oh! Yeah.
Slowly but surely, the fire was under control.
Pot Pot always checks to make sure everything is safe.
Safety first! Safety first! The city was safe once more!
Helping others is my favorite job.
With courage and care, Pot Pot keeps everyone safe.
On a quiet and beautiful night, Sang was enjoying a peaceful drive through the city.
What a lovely night! I love driving under the stars.
Ah! I've never driven this way before. Yeah, but Sang didn't notice the danger ahead. Oh no! Ouch! I'm stuck!
Oh! Help! Is anyone there?
Luckily, a hero was nearby.
Wait! I hear someone!
Sang, don't worry, I'm here.
Gaga! I'm so glad to see you!
Stay calm. I have a plan.
We have a plan!
Friends always help each other. Ah!
And they made the road safe for everyone.
Toy! Ew! I learned something tonight. What's that?
Always be careful. And never drive alone at night. With teamwork and kindness, every problem can be solved.
It is a peaceful day in the neighborhood.
Hello, Boocap. Ready to help today? You know it, Pop Pot. Let's get to work.
Let's keep everyone safe.
Ha!
Yay, yay!
Something needs help.
What? I can handle this.
Splash! Splash! Woohoo!
Oh, yeah! The fire is gone. Everything is safe now. Phew. What a relief.
A little kitten needs help.
Lauren, don't worry, little one.
You're safe now. That's it. You're doing great. Purr.
Everyone feels relieved.
Let's fix this. Who made this?
The road is clear again.
We make a great team. Yes, we do. Thank you, Boocap and Pot Pot.
It is an exciting day at the horse racing arena.
Wow! This place is huge! This place is huge! The race is about to begin!
Ready, Boocap? Let's do this, Loi Loi.
Go! Here I come! They are very close. Blue Cap, we can do it! Gotta catch up! Move slow, Blue! You're fast, Loi Loi! Safety comes first! Almost there! Almost there! It's a tie!
Racing together is the best!
They had a fun and friendly race at the horse arena.